about government.
Hello and welcome to today's episode of BNAG, or Breaking News About Government.
Yes, today we'll be learning about rights and responsibilities of an Australian citizen. And to all those watching in Australia, this means you. Now, before we start, one of my retired reporters thought this might be relevant and would like you to remember discrimination. A number of people have been discriminated against for many different reasons. Commonly age, gender and race, which is colour, nationality and religion. This would not be tolerated from an Australian citizen. To you, Selena.
Australian citizen in America.
Hello. I will be telling you about the rights of an Australian citizen. First, what are rights and what do they do? Rights refer to the way people should be treated. Some rights belong to everyone because they are human. These are called human rights. In Australia, it is your basic right to be treated fairly, with respect. It is important to exercise your rights, not because of your own sake, but for the future sake of others. To make sure your rights are protected, there are laws and rules which organisations must follow. Some of the rights and rules apply specifically to people with disabilities and people from culturally and other backgrounds. Well, that is what rights are. I was also asked to give you a short talk about why being an Australian citizen is important. Well, it helps build our nation, it gives us all Australia's shared identity, and it allows migrants to feel welcome and become full and formal members of Australia. Thank you. Back to the studio. Thank you. It seems my other reporter, Ruby, is at lunch, so we're going to take a look at
The Booth of Truth.
Woo! Hi, I'm Sophie. I think you should treat everyone fairly and respectfully because that's what a citizen of Australia is to do.
I'm Rose. If you ever see discrimination, I think you should try your best to help the person being discriminated against.
Hey, I'm Tina. If you are treated with respect, then you should treat everyone else with respect because that is how you want people to treat you.
Hi, I'm Mina. I think an Australian citizen is someone that is legally recognised and has the rights of protection and freedom.
Hi, my name's Ella. If you're being treated unfairly, I think you should tell somebody responsible and stand up for yourself. Thank you, Wendy.
If you're being discriminated against, you should call the police or tell a responsible adult.
Do it.
Hey guys, what did I miss?
Now to the responsibilities with Ruby. Got it.
Now, responsibilities of an Australian citizen are obey the laws of Australia, enrol on a federal, state or territory electoral registers, vote in elections, serve on a jury if called upon to and defend Australia if need arise. Along with rights come responsibilities. Responsibilities say how you are expected to act in order to have your rights protected. Know what your rights and responsibilities are before you start self-advocacy. If you do not know what your rights and responsibilities are, you might ask for something to change that cannot be changed, or you might not ask for it in the right way. It is also good to know what your rights and responsibilities are so you know when you are being treated unfairly and need to speak up to protect yourself. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Ruby. I learned quite a lot from that.
Hold it there. I think I can hear one more booth of truth.
No. That is all for today's episode of BNAG. Thank you. NAG. Breaking news about government. The end.
Cole, get out. We're filming.
We actually are.
What? I just got.
Forsyth said, you can go outside in your...
Okay, go.
I'm going.
That's why I said... That's why when I came to the door,
My name is Wendy. If you...
Yo, Caitlin.
Okay, wait. Okay, I need 3 seconds.
That's right,
3.
guys. We have to. When we do the Christmas tree, we don't have time to do it on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do the
Okay.
Christmas tree here, and after that, Clark, what are you saying here? Because Khalees, you guys have to wait like 2 minutes.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Where are they?
Outside. 3. Oh, I'm recording. Dun dun dun.
Yes, you stop that up. You stop that up.
Keep going, leave it. We'll cut it.
Wait.
Keep going.
We'll
No,
cut
we
it,
have
we'll
to stop
cut
that
it.
again. Jess, stop it up. Wait. What? For its next victim. Here she comes. She sees the trap.